if you remember on Monday's vlog, the guys cleared all of this bar now, and it looks absolutely amazing. The amount of work they did on the floor, and then putting the stones in along the side. Now, we now need to build that up. Now, I say we, because last week, Colston was here helping Ted. This week, I've got a bit of help. In you come. It's the Queen Charlene.
Right, darling.
So to get that, we're going to try and build this wall up so that it becomes the stage area. All will become clear at the end. A lot of work to do.
God help us all.
Yes, let's go. Right, we've got loads of stones to bring in. Is that we build the front of it up, smaller stones, so a bit like any normal stone wall would be. We have your bigger stones either side, and then you have your smaller stones and muck in the middle. So we need to get the mixer over, get the mixer going.
Where?
And then loads of small stones for the middle. I'll get the big stones because obviously your arm. And
well, I can get a barrow of little ones.
Yeah.
If we want to take it in turns.
Yeah. So if we get big ones and little ones. Yeah. Okay, let's go. So if I get the big ones out, and then we just get loads of little ones for the middle. We need to get the mixer over. Do you need help, baby?
Me? Are you feeling it?
Well, I need to carry the plasterboard down just because it makes life easier doing it with two.
Is it heavy?
And then I'll get the mixer. Huh?
Is it heavy?
They're not desperately heavy, it's just a bit awkward.
Oh, this is doing that.
I don't know about your arm.
I'll be alright with plasterboard. It's
You sure?
A piece at a time, maybe.
Right, we've got to figure out how to do this. Because let's be honest, have you ever built a stone wall before? Of this size?
No.
And neither have I. I've done it with little stones, but not stones this size. And the worst thing is, we need to try and...
Level it off.
We need to get to the level of that, but we need to remember that that's got stone in it already. Do you know what I mean? So I've put this bit of wood up to just give us a rough level.
Yeah.
And then it's a bit like doing a jigsaw without a picture, that we're just going to have to find the stone, I think.
Yeah.
And...
Like we did with the floors, really, but it's just on its side.
Yeah. And I think if we do one bit, I think once we've got one bit in, and one bit level, I think then it will all come clear.
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah. It's doing the night for my legs sitting like this. I think I'm going to need a hop up.
Right, let's get up. Oh, let's go.
So, how are you getting on?
Not bad. We're wrapping up for the end of the day. It's done well, haven't we?
Yeah, I'm really happy with it. It looks absolutely amazing.
I have to say, I misjudged how much work was involved. I really thought it'd be a day and we'd get it done, but my back is really killing me. Your arm's killing you, isn't
Yeah,
it?
I've
It's
got
just,
injuries everywhere.
but yeah, just the heavy stone, lifting it and trying to find the right one to go in there. And
Then
but
you'll find one that you think's the right size,
Yeah.
and it'll have a really annoying corner on it.
yeah. But I think we're getting on really well. We're halfway. We have got the worst part to do, which is the deepest part. But
I think it looks spectacular. I really do.
so
I think
we
it looks.
might have to call on you tomorrow to come and lift some stones for us weaklings.
Would you be our muscle, Shanice?
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. Well, we've always got Shirley. Oh, she's gone. I thought Shirley for the muscle. Yeah. But yeah, I think it's going to look absolutely brilliant. And the best thing of all is it doesn't look like it's,
New.
you know,
No, once it's brushed back.
yeah, brushed back and everything, and it's weathered in a little bit, and we chucked a bit of mud on it and all that sort of thing. It'll look like it's always been there, and that's the fantastic thing. I think it looks great as is. Well done, girls. Well done.
Thank you.
You've deserved.
Oh, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hype the video. Thank you.
It's not the end of the video, it's just the end of the day.
It doesn't matter. Hype it anyway.
See, this what we love about our volunteers is that we get so many outtakes. That's it. Corpsed. Corpsed again.
Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hype all the videos that you watch from Chateau de Montmagny.
We'll be back
Merci
tomorrow.
beaucoup.
Let's carry on. Right, time for a cup of tea, I think. This morning we have taken a little bit of a time out to do a bit of a road trip, and as well as obviously Charlene in the back. Charlene, we also have Shirley Curly Whirly, one of our patrons that's staying with us for a week. And Shirley thinks that we're going for a bit of lunch, but actually we're going to surprise her. Do you like surprises, Shirley?
Sometimes.
Depends how much it costs me. That's what she says.
Sometimes.
Shirley is a big fan of the moons. Now, I'm sure you probably all know the moons, and we are actually going to visit the moons, Shirley.
Oh wow.
We're 3 minutes away, and we are going to see. Shirley has actually adopted one of their horses, Thomas.
Thomas.
So we're actually going to go and see Thomas, who she's adopted.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Matilda's.
Oh yeah. Dinner's out.
Got them, they weren't making a noise. And then these two were, but Leo wasn't, and he found his voice.
He certainly has.
Like, Mummy's pregnant again. Hence the fact that sort of separated Leo off. Because he used to sleep and sort of weaned it.
Well, they look absolutely amazing. How long have you had these two? See, that must be nice that you're now getting recognised
Yeah.
and people come to you.
Yeah. No, it is. It's lovely. Love you.
Oh, how cute.
Very cute. Thank you so much.
Right, Chateau, you have been amazing. Right. And I hope everything's all right with you. Is it lovely to see you?
I love money.
Without that,
I love
there is
everything,
what it
just
is.
history.
So we are back from the moons and we had such an amazing morning. I can't thank you enough, Jenny, Nick and family, for your hospitality this morning. We went for a treat for our patron Shirley. However, it was a treat for us all. It was absolutely amazing. And I'm going to put a link in the description to their channels. They've got 2 channels. And even if you're not interested in animals, just the way of the life that they're living is truly inspiring. The way they're bringing up their children. Yeah, it's just magical. Absolutely magical. And the children were delightful. I come away feeling quite overwhelmed, I have to say. So please, go to the link in the description, go over, subscribe to their channel, support them because they need all the support they can get. They're doing amazing things and I applaud them for that. We had a great morning. Thank you so much to the Moon family. Anyway, we came back, straight back to work and I've brushed all the wall back and I am so pleased with how it looks now. Hello, Bessie. Hello, Bessie Boo. Come to inspect. I think it's looking amazing and now the wall is built up so it's level with the floor and it's looking really good. However, I have to say, I was planning to continue building today. We're about halfway through, but I have really hurt my back. It's very, very painful. I have a hot water bottle down my pants at the moment. Not that you really need to know that, but it really is painful. So I'm not going to be able to lift anything for a few days. I'm glad I got it brushed back, but I am going to have to leave the rest of it for a few days until my back can recover and then we can continue. However, there's loads more work we could be getting on with. So anyway, for this week, thanks for joining us. Don't forget, please like, subscribe, thumbs up, hit the hype button, do everything you can. We really need your help to be able to continue doing the work we're doing at the moment. And don't forget, we are doing a Q&A. We're building up all the questions for the Q&A, so put some questions in the comments if you want them answered for the Q&A that's going to come out next Wednesday. We will see you all then. Take care, everyone. See you soon. Right, I'm going to go for a rest. Come here, Bess.